I'd say thank you to everybody who came out to support, the people that we met, who know us from YouTube. Thanks. And the car show was fun, but I must admit, there was a little less sparring action than I thought it would be. We got a little bit in, but there just need to be more active participants. I felt that the lady, she's doing trying too hard to match people up with similar records or similar experience. This is a sparring event. These aren't bouts. You gotta go ahead and put people in, let them get this work, let them practice. So we picked someone, because Dimitri only has 7 bouts. We picked someone who had 12 bouts, and he's about to turn pro pretty soon, or at least that's what they say. I don't know, but I know he has 12 bouts. And we said, let's do it. Get him out there. The messed up thing though is she wouldn't let us go 3-minute rounds. We're gonna do 2-minute rounds, which kind of upset me. And it took forever getting the bouts going, but it is what it is. We enjoyed the cars. We enjoyed a little bit of Dimitri sparring, and we want you to enjoy this video. So check it out. Learn, get some experience in sparring in front of people. Some people are out of it.
Touch your gloves, guys.
Okay, touch it. Come on, more. You only got 2 minutes. Touch it. Touch him. Touch him. You only got 2 minutes. There you go. Touch him. Let's go. Touch him. There you go. Touch him. Let's go. Touch him. Open up. 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 Come on, let's go. Go, go, go. Open up. You're waiting too long. You're waiting too long.
30 seconds.
You're waiting too long. Let's go. 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 Pick it up, Dimitri.
10 seconds.
There you go. Go, come on. Get him reacting. Get him reacting. Let's go. Get him reacting. There you go. Go. Go, Demetrius, go. There you go. There you go. Open up. There you go. Open up. Open up. More. Faster. You gotta go faster. You gotta go. Right. Oh. No coaching. Open up.
30 seconds.
Open up. There you go. Open up. There you go. Open up. There you go. There you go. Open up.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. There you go. Walk him down. Turn.
Go, get it, get it. Come on, touch his body. He's coming forward. Touch the body, his body's there. There you go. Body's there. See? Again. His body's there.
Right. Box. Walk down.
See? You hear that? Get him. There you go. There you go.
There you go. Touch that body. Open up. Okay, now open up fast. Come on. Open up fast. Let's go. Open up fast. Let's go. Open up fast. Let's go. Open up fast. Open up fast. Let's go. Go. Come on. Open up. Let's go, Dimitri. This is the last round. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Go.
Hey.
Go. Go. Go.
Hey. Hey. Go. 10 seconds.
Open up. Open up.
10 seconds. Go.